Hello or hello back. Today I will show you how I, in the cheapest but very qualitative way, record my guitar and bring the recording to the computer. I will show you what microphones I use and how they work. There are many similar devices on the market at different prices, so you can easily choose the right model for you. My demonstration works universally, and it's not an advertisement for a specific piece of equipment. I want to show you that recording yourself at the high level does not have to be expensive, and it's quite simple to implement. So let's get started. You can record yourself on a mobile recorder. Here I have an older H4n Zoom that records my sounds without connecting to a computer. I can take it anywhere I want. I set the recording volume level, of course, the gain. I set the sound divider, the resolution of the sound, and 44,100 Hz is which CD quality brings. I turn on the record and record. Then I connect my memory card to a computer and import the file to my hard disk. And it's finished. The second way is to connect a USB microphone directly to a computer or laptop or even a tablet or mobile phone and record on the software that we have on the devices like GarageBand, Reaper, Logic, Ableton, or other applications. On this microphone I set the recording volume level gain 2. The sound resolution is already set in the program, or I do it on the given device, and we turn on the record. The recording can be then directly edited in the given software. It seems to me that even with functional working computers, open source DAWs and easy to use USB mics or other recorder, you can get a beautiful sound effect. Finally, the know-how, not the equipment, is decisive. It is not the hardware, but the skills that matters, the recording skills, editing, mastering, and so on. I know professional musicians myself who recorded professional, really great albums in this very simple way, actually using mobile recorders or USB microphones. In this way, they obtained beautiful effects, which we hear today on various streaming portals, unaware of how simple these projects were implemented. You can watch a detailed tutorial how to record on a computer with USB microphones here. If you are interested in recording a guitar in a more sophisticated, maybe even more professional way, or you are a fan of classical guitar and you are interested in all other topics related to the classical guitar adventure, I invite you to browse my channel. There's a lot of stuff. That's all for today. I hope you found some value from this video. If you have any questions or maybe you are interested in deepening this topic, let me know in the comments, and stay tuned, stay totally guitarist, and see you next time.